Welcome back to another video. This will be regarding Blender, and I want to show how easily you can smooth 3D scans using Blender. So this will be the case study, the statue of Napoleon. So this will be available on Artec. I already downloaded this as an OBJ. So let's load that within Blender and see how we can fix that. So within Blender, I will go to File, Import. I want this to be imported as an OBJ because that's the file format. So this will be 637 megabytes. So I'm going to import it. By default within Blender, this will be scaled. So the clipping plane will look like this. You can either increase over here within the view the end for the camera, or you can just scale the model. So with the model selected, I'm going to press S for scale, type in 0.001, hit enter. Then I will press comma and that will zoom me to the model. I also want to add this on top of the X and Y plane within Blender. And I would like to have the origin to the middle. So currently the origin is over here within that orange dot. So I'll go to Object, Set Origin, Origin to Geometry. That will add it within the middle of the mesh. Now regarding the texture, as we can see, this has a material like this. So I have the possibility over here to change the IOR, for example, to 1. And this will allow me to better visualize over here the mesh. So as we can see, if I will jump over here and I will shade this auto smooth, it will look like this. This still has some reflections on the material. So if I want to clear those, one of the best solutions will be just to delete that material. And I will just create a new one. Afterwards, within shading, over here, I will reattach the same texture. So within this folder, will be a texture, the JPEG. I will drag and drop it and link the color to the base color. And now we're going to see that the texture will look like this. So we no longer have those bright areas on the model. If I will go over here within shaded solid, it will look like this. So in order to fix the geometry over there, all we have to do is go within sculpting. And over here, you can hold down Shift. This will automatically go to the smooth feature over here. And we can slowly move around with the left click on, and that will smoothen out that area. So we see that that has been fixed. We can do the same over here for the lips. It does move a little bit slow, but keep in mind that the model has close to 6.7 million faces. Therefore, sculpting will require a powerful processing laptop or computer. Okay, so you can go ahead and you can smooth this 3D scan within other areas. There are also tools that will automate this, for example, GeoMagick, but that is a paid software. So if you want to do it using open source solution, I consider Blender is the best solution for this. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I will position a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.